supervisor, group policy.
This computer for group. ಇಷ್ಟ ಇದ್ದು ಎಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ರಿಸರ್ವೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಮುಂದುವರೆಬೇಕು. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ
ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು.
ಸ್ಪೇಕ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡೋದು
ಮಾಡೋದು ಸರ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಅದು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗೋದು. सर क्लास रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है नहीं हो रहा है सर?
क्या
आज का क्लास
नहीं रिकॉर्ड करेंगे?
Okay, sir.
नो रिकॉर्डिंग फ्रॉम टुडे.
Okay, sir. No problem.
वैसे भी मैं देखता कि नहीं सर.
हाँ तो क्या फायदा?
I never asked. When I was not attending class, I asked.
अटेंड हो रहा है रिकॉर्डिंग भी ले रहा है डबल जमा ఇన్నే వచ్చింది సార్ ఇప్పుడే వచ్చింది
All right. So how to create users groups, everyone knows, right? Now how to apply policies. So there are more than 1,000 policies are there in server. So one by one, it's very difficult to show because it's more than 1,000. It will take 6 months or to 1 year to show one by one. So I will just show you the sample example how to impose any permissions or policies to a user. How to do that. Also, in upcoming classes, whatever the topics are going, we are going to do. Everything we need to do it with the group policy only. So over the time, main things which is required in infrastructure policies, those things you are going to know. If something comes out of the box and you don't know where you need to assign, then you can Google it. That's not a problem. But most of 80% things will be covered in these topics only. Okay. So now, first of all, what we need to do, check whether any client OS is there or not. Otherwise, we need to install. Hi. Varian. So first of all, we need to check, do we have OU? Inside that OU, do we have any users or not? This is the first thing we need to check. So, we already create one HR department.
Yes, sir.
Inside HR department, we have already created one user. If it is not there, you have to create. If it is there, no problem. So now let's say we need to give permissions, some policies and restrictions to Patel. Right now, Patel doesn't have anything. You can do whatever you want. Clear? You can do whatever you want. But obviously it's an infrastructure, it's a company.
Boundaries.
There should be a boundaries, there should be restrictions for him, otherwise he will destroy the laptop. Right?
You did already.
Did already.
He's asking for drivers.
So we need to impose some restrictions. Now what to do? We need to go to tools. There you will see something called group policy management. Cannot see.
वहां से भी नहीं दिख रहा होगा सर.
इतना क्रिस्टल क्लियर लग रहा है.
दिख रहा है सर.
I don't have sight sir.
दिख रहा है सर.
It's not in black color.
Group policy management, ISPC
Right.
initiator, local security
Sir,
policy.
the system
Yeah,
management,
sir.
system information.
management.
Lights, ये वाला light off करो. Yes, yes.
Yeah.
What I can see.
This also, no problem.
Door meditation.
सर ऐसा दिख रहा है सर, इस एंगल में दिख रहा है सर. व्हाट मूवी चल रहा है ना?
ओके वैसे ज्यादा है
Popcorn order करो.
नो सर.
ब्रेक आता है ना सर
Popcorn. नहीं तो ये KFC से
पॉपकॉर्न चिकन.
ये क्रिस्पी चिकन कर दो. 10 क्रिस्पी चिकन.
No, sir.
नॉट अलाउड सर
सैंची लगा देते मस्त.
Sir, momos.
कॉफी सर.
मोमो पसंद है. वाह बढ़िया.
I used to eat when I was working in hall.
मोमो मस्त लगते हैं लेकिन प्योर वाला मोमो नहीं मिलता है. जो एग्जैक्ट मोमो है
There is only.
यहाँ पे कस्टमाइज मिलते मोमो मिलते हैं मस्त. प्योर वाला जो है वो अलग है, वो टेस्टी अलग है.
I had a friend from Mizoram. He made me eat once.
दार्जिलिंग अगर कोई रेस्टोरेंट में जाओगे दार्जिलिंग के
Yes, momos.
उनका मोमो खो के देखो क्या क्लास है. कहाँ गया वहाँ हुआ कि नहीं हुआ. नाउ यू कैन सी
Yes sir. Yes sir.
ग्रुप पॉलिसी मैनेजमेंट. So this is how your group policy management will see. Forest, Reliance.com. Now what is Forest you know, right?
Not able to explain sir. I know sir.
Everyone knows what is Forest?
Jungle.
Jungle. What is Forest? हैं? क्या? इतना फास्ट बोले क्या गाना क्या बोले?
Biryani bro.
बिरयानी? बिरयानी with भात, केसर.
Fast means cooking biryani fast. It's
No,
telling.
sir.
Then 3 animals.
Yes, lions.
वैसे ही याद रखो. Trees parent domain, animals child domain. उसके बाद जो भी पत्ते वत्ते हैं users, resources, management. That is forest.
domain
Forest means domains, users, groups, OUs, management, resources. That's it. उसको ही forest बोलते हैं.
entire
I note it down.
तो उसको एक ट्री बना दो. ट्री इज उसके बाद वो क्या बोलते हैं उसको?
Sir, domain.
डोमेन्स,
branches
OUs, यूजर्स, रिसोर्सेज, कंप्यूटर्स, इन सबको ही मिला के जो है वो फॉरेस्ट बोलते हैं. एवरीथिंग ऑल ओवर इट्स कॉल्ड फॉरेस्ट.
domain में क्या क्या रहता है
हाँ, इनसाइड द डोमेन व्हाटएवर इज देयर दैट इज एवरीथिंग इज कॉल्ड एज फॉरेस्ट.
Forest.
एक पेड़ में क्या रहता है? एक बड़ा
Branches.
branches रहेंगे.
leaves,
There will be leaves, fruits,
birds भी आता है
birds आते हैं, कुछ ना कुछ तो रहते हैं ना. वही होता है. Just imagine those things as those OUs and resources. बस हो गया. Questions आते हैं. What is forest? Sometimes we get confused. Forest means what?
Jungle.
So मेरा वही था. Forest, jungle, tree. ये मतलब डोमेन, OU, resources, users, computers, management. बहुत easy हो जाते हैं. ठीक है. So now expand is forest. You will get some options: domains, size, group policy results. Under domains we need to go. एक ही domain है. Reliance.com, which is a parent domain. There is no child domain right now, so
we did not
Reliance.com. Expand Reliance.com. Can we see our OU?
HR.
HR is there, right? But when I expand is HR, I can get users.
yes sir
But when I expand is user, I cannot see my user. Why?
we did not created policy.
Here only policy will be visible. No users, nothing. Okay. Here only I need to create a policy. How I will create? Right click on users. Now here the biggest confusion comes. Usually what we do, we don't go to users, we just assign inside a HR only.
Yes, sir.
Assuming that if I am giving in HR, that means in user also it will be applied.
What is it?
It doesn't happen like that. In which fold OU users are there, only on that OU you have to assign a policy. Inside users, my user is there. I have to give policy to the user only, not in HR. HR is the main folder. User क्या है? Subfolder. So we need to assign in subfolder only, not in a main.
Every individual we have to give.
Every individual. It's not like I have given to HR, that means in users it has been done. No. You have to assign in user only. So right click on users.
Create new GPO.
Create a GPO, that is group policy object in this domain and link it here.
Group policy
Object. ठीक है? Click on this create group GPO.
ask for names of
कुछ नाम देना है, आपकी मर्जी जो देना है, but make it specific. For what purpose you are giving a policy? Write it down there. For example, for now I am just giving the example, correct? So that's why user policy. So that if I see, I can understand that what policy has been assigned. Click on OK.
आपने space दिया underscore दिया.
Underscore दिया.
You can give any character.
कुछ भी दो. मेरे पास फिर अंडरस्कोर दे दिया, थोड़ा अच्छा लगता है देखने में, प्रोफेशनल
लुक अच्छा है.
प्रोफेशनल लुक में मैंने अंडरस्कोर दे दिया. डन. क्लिक ओके. क्रिएटेड. क्या लगता है पॉलिसी हो गया?
नहीं सर.
अभी देना बाकी है.
उसमें
देना बाकी है. Yet to be done. Now what to do? This user policy is created, correct?
Yes, sir.
Right click. दो दिन कुछ ज्यादा ही ठंडा है. Saturday, Sunday. Now edit. Now here you have to assign what type of policy you want. Two types of configuration is there. One is computer and one is user. अभी यहाँ पे क्या होता है? Two types is there. One is computer, one is user.
Yes, sir.
इन दोनों का अलग अलग differences है. Let's go with a computer first. For example, this is your laptop. Client OS. Client OS or client?
Client. Okay, sir.
This is a user which doesn't have any policy, no permission, nothing. Pura clear. But in this laptop, in this computer, I have given one policy that is restricted to system settings and control panel. In this system, these two things you cannot access.
Earlier it is.
I have given some policy in this computer only that settings and control panel cannot be accessed. Now this user one, It has full access. पूरा access है.
कुछ नहीं
कुछ
दिया।
सर कोई पॉलिसी नहीं देने से वो सभी एक्सेस हो जाते हैं वैसे ही.
उसको सब access है. If another system is there, the logins, full admin access, सब कुछ कर सकता है.
Everything else.
Now, when this user logs in here,
Okay.
उसको ये पॉलिसी लग जाता है. This user, even though this user doesn't have anything, any permission, but this permission will be applied. When it comes, when we do computer configuration. Computer configuration means no matter what user have or not, when that user logs in that system, where the computer configuration permission has been applied, that permission will also be applied to the user. Computer configuration का मतलब ये है. Now,
User नहीं apply होता है.
in user, for example, that settings and control panel configuration permission is applied to this user.
Again we have to apply.
And there is one more user. If user one logs into computer, this user will have the permission. Policies will be there. These settings, control panel is blocked. But when user 2 logs in, who doesn't have these policies,
Those can access.
those can access. That means what we have understood. Computer configuration is permanent. It's a permanent. User configuration is variable. If user have the policy, then user will get it. If user doesn't have a policy, he will not get it. But in computer configuration, if any system have that policy, no matter whatever user, all user will get the policy.
We can't remove that policy, sir.
वही हम लोग बनाते हैं. If we create the policy for computer configuration, that will be for all users.
Yes.
If we don't create, then there is no use. But for user, it's as per the individual. If any user have the policy, he will get it. If doesn't have, no, they will not get it. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
समझ में आएगा computer configuration, user configuration? Why I am saying that? Because sometimes you have to decide whether it will be computer or whether it will be user. In any situation can come, anything. So you have to decide whether it's computer or it's a user. So it's not defined like ये सिर्फ computer के लिए है, this one is for user. No, it can be anything. It depends on the situation and criteria and requirement of the company and the situation. क्या है? That you need to analyze, you need to think what can be done. According to that, you have to create a policy. वो आपके ऊपर है. That is upon you. So that's why I have explained what is the meaning of computer and what is the meaning of user. Clear? So for our practice, we will be doing user. So we are going to block these settings and control panel. So we have already one user, that is Patel. So here
User configuration policies.
policies, from here 3 options comes.
Software setting.
Software setting, Windows setting, administrative template. So we need to go to administrative template. Under administrative template, you can see there are a lot of options: control panel, desktop, network, shared, start menu, system, Windows component. Clear?
Yes, sir.
If you don't know from where you have to do, you have to go to all settings. Now, if you click on all settings, there are lot of policies are there.
Thousands of policies.
तो इतना it's not possible. So don't worry. If you get something unusual, कुछ उटपटांग आ गया कि पॉलिसी देना है, just Google where should I get this policy in group policy detail. You will get. Then you enable. Then you follow the steps whatever is there. और 80% जो भी है वो यहीं पे थर्ड पेपर तक हो गया. So now our criteria is settings and control panel should be blocked. So here I can see control panel.
Yes, sir.
Correct. So click on control panel. Here I can see one policy is that it is prohibit access to control panel and PC settings. मतलब ये हुआ.
Oh, yes, sir.
That means it will prohibit my control panel and PC settings. So what we need to do? I need to go to policy settings. First select it.
And edit.
Either you can right click and edit. Either you double click or just click and go to policy setting over here. तीन ऑप्शन है जो आपका पसंद
एडिट करके
जाएगा. तो मेरा अच्छा है, डबल क्लिक करो हो जाएगा. Simply double click, it will open. We need to enable it. And the description is also given here. What it will do. Disables all control panel programs and PC setting app. This setting prevents control.exe and system setting.exe the program files from starting. It will give the description. If you don't know, like you are not understanding for what purpose it is, just read the description, you will know it. So what we will do this one? Enable, apply, okay. Policy, applied. क्या लगता है क्लाइंट में चला गया अप्लाई? What do you think?
चला गया sir.
User got their permission policy? No. There's one more step that from client side they have to do. कभी कभार देखते हैं इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर में, sometimes in
Because if
infrastructure
it is
they used to give a notification that you need to do these steps in your system. Sometimes happens. आता क्या करना है? Go to your client.
पासवर्ड पता नहीं सर.
पासवर्ड मुझे पता है ना. शायद नहीं है. IHT@123 है.
इजी पीजी.
अगर पास नहीं तो IHT दोनों में से कोई ना कोई तो वो है. और else extend@123. We need to enter one command in CMD in order to get the permission or policies. What command? GP update space /force.
जीपी क्या है?
Group policies.
ग्रुप पॉलिसीज. हाँ जीपी वर्ड और जीपी
Normally GP update माने से होता है, but sometimes if you enter GP update, it doesn't apply. So that's why you need to forcefully do it. All right. So now let's try to open. Let's see whether it's any kind of policy applied or what. Setting on हो जा. बारे वाह.
इट्स अप्लाइड ऑलरेडी. नहीं ओपन हुआ.
बंद हो जाएगा.
ना टाइम नहीं.
वाह लग अच्छा है.
मतलब क्या होता है सर इसमें?
That's what system is.
मतलब क्या होता है सर? कभी कभार कर देता है काम ना तो नहीं.
Because there is one concept, right? if there is an existing user which is already created and it's not logged in yet,
Okay.
there you don't have to enter this. It will automatically apply. If there is an existing user which is already logged in and some work has been done, there you need to enter this. तो क्या हम लोगों ने क्या ये बुला के छोड़ दिया था क्या? We didn't log in or what?
We logged in, sir. I think we logged in.
It's already applied. You can see the operation has been cancelled due to restrictions in effect on this computer. Please contact your system administrator. So when you are going to practice, at that time if policies is not been applied, enter
GP update.
GP update. Where you will be applying?
CMD.
Go to CMD.
Right click administrator. No, not administrator.
बाप रे,
नहीं होगा ना सर इसमें लॉगिन सीएमडी कैसे ओपन होगा?
होगा कि नहीं होगा CMD?
आपने ब्लॉक किया ना सर?
मैंने CMD थोड़ी ब्लॉक किया है.
हाँ?
सेटिंग्स तो ब्लॉक किया है वो
मैंने सेटिंग्स ब्लॉक किया है, CMD थोड़ी ब्लॉक किया है.
कंट्रोल पैनल सेटिंग्स ना ब्लॉक किया ना सर?
अरे क्या है ऑन हो कि इतना स्लो कहे के लिए?
इसमें दोनों ब्लॉक किया मेरा अपना चांस. अभी तक तो ओपन हो जाता सर.
कितना बार दो बार डबल दबाना.
कंट्रोल पैनल एंड सिस्टम सेटिंग के अंदर CMD नहीं आता.
CMD सेपरेट कर देते हैं.
If you want to block CMD, that also can be done.
पॉलिसीज में जाना है.
वो भी कर सकते हो.
ओके ओके.
यहाँ पे GP अपडेट
स्लैश फोर्स.
स्पेस स्लैश कोर्स एंटर. So whatever policy has been assigned by the administrator, it will update over here. Sometimes you maybe you are working and from administrator they used to say like just make a group policy update in your system.
Computers.
So you have to do it. Clear? समझे?
Yes sir.
So this is the way how you give group policy.
अगर क्लाइंट 2 और 3 रहे तो अप्लाई नहीं हो सकता है.
क्यों नहीं होगा?
हाँ डायरेक्ट we have to go to client.
Every client
हाँ, client में जाके if it is an existing user, you have to log in by your credential and you have to give GP update. It's not like that in one laptop if they have provided to you, 5-6 will come and do your GP update. No, it's your work. The company has been assigned, and whenever company assigns you a laptop, there is a ID.
Yes sir.
That means this ID laptop belongs to Patel.
You can block anything.
Even if we can do some config, this is like MCS advanced level mein. There is one configuration that if you logged in his laptop, I will get the notification. Again, your account will automatically disabled. So in company, it's very like पॉलिसी वाला डिपेंड करता है. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन दैट दिस पॉलिसी. कभी कभार होता है कि दिस पॉलिसी शुड बी अप्लाइड. आई हैव गिवन लैपटॉप टू यू टू वर्क फॉर यू.
That's it.
You can't give your laptop to him and okay you do it. You can't do like that. That ID is for you, credential is for you. You have to log in. Others cannot log in and do anything. If they log in, their account will be disabled.
जॉब चले जाता है.
Direct disabled. Job नहीं जाएगा लेकिन disable हो जाएगा. Then you have to ask for enabling. Then they will ask what happened.
So many blah blah reasons.
5 गाली सुनो. Warning आए. But these things will not happen. Clear? Now, ये यहाँ तक clear?
Yes sir.
permissions policies, how they get, how companies impose their policies and all. Now with the help of this policy only, we are going to deploy software from server to clients.
Before policy, we can't.
Automatically you cannot. Policies, with the policy only you have to do. The whole thing revolves around group policy only server. Each and every topic which you will get from now, everywhere you will see 80% is group policy only. सेकेंड पेपर में तो भर भर के बहुत सारे. थर्ड पेपर जाते जाते आप यू विल नो व्हाट इज ग्रुप पॉलिसी.
क्योंकि 1000 है ना.
आराम से वहाँ पे
50-60 तो कंप्लीट होना है ना.
एग्जैक्टली. एंड मेन थिंग्स यू विल नो व्हाट यू नीड टू डू इन कंपनी. उससे आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स आ जाए तो गूगल कर लो. हम लोग वही करते थे पहले. some like weird policies they want and we can't find it what it is. We'll Google it. And also how we Google, we don't Google about, we don't create our own sentence. Exact whatever they have said, copy paste. They will give them where it is, how to do it, take it, मार दो. Okay. सारे लोग यही करते. No one can remember so many policies one by one.
आधा क्या सर 80% वही करते हैं.
They can't remember so many policies. So you need to use the Google. But yes, basics you should know. After getting that enabling okay, after that what? वो आपको खुद को पता होना. Alright, so let's deploy software. So how to deploy software? और मैं zoom out कर रहा हूँ. Okay. To do software deployment, you need one storage repository. Storage repository. इसका मतलब है repository. ये सब टर्म बाद में जाके आपको मिलेगा. इसलिए मैं ये टेक्निकल टर्म में बोल रहा हूँ.
सेकंड वर्ड पता नहीं चला सर.
Storage.
कॉम्प्लिकेटेड वर्ड उतना सर.
मतलब एक बॉक्स जिसके अंदर फाइल्स है उसको रिपोजिटरी बोलते हैं. तो in company you can't say like that, you have to say repository.
Storage repository.
So this is your server, okay, and बहुत सारा lines are there. Now you need to deploy one software. Now there may be lot of clients. Somewhere some clients will be here, some clients will be somewhere else. अभी कैसे install करोगे? How you will install? One by one if you go, कितना time लगेगा? It will take a lot of time because some clients will be out of India, some clients will be out of states. उनको collect करके ये करना बहुत time लग जाएगा. Instead of that, what we can do is from server itself we can transfer all the software to their clients. How to do that? Now, in order to transfer, server should know, right? Where is the software? From where I should take the software, correct?
Yes, sir.
So for that, we need to create one storage repository where my software will be present.
Basically a partition.
Basically, एक folder share.
Okay.
और कुछ नहीं. We share folders from other system. How we can access? By giving the IP. वो जो folder share is been done, right? That is storage repository. और कुछ बढ़ाया नहीं. This folder I have to share. इसको मुझे share करना है. But one twist. Usually when we share any folder, all clients will get it, right? They can access, they can download, upload, whatever they want, they can do it. But we need to share this storage repository in such a way that client can get this but cannot access this.
Password protected.
Not password, but if they can't open this folder. In such a way we need to share that client can see, okay, this folder is there, but they cannot access it. They will get access denied. In such a way you need to share it. कैसे करना है? ये कैसे होगा? Usually we share, we get it. उसके ऊपर there is no options to block, to give password or anything. But ये कैसे करें?
Read only.
इसका भी एक तरीका है. Wording का खेल है. There is a, you need to play with symbols. Dollar. Dollar कितना खतरनाक चीज है ना? Let's do it. So first of all, we need to create what? Storage repository. So it is your choice if you want to create in C drive, if you want to create in D drive, if you want to create in E drive, it's your choice. Wherever you want, you create. That means go to this PC. I have only C drive. Inside C drive, I will create one folder. Folder.
Software.
सर्वर क्लाइंट करना सर.
हाँ सर्वर में हो गई है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल सॉफ्टवेयर डिप्लॉय. ठीक है, फोल्डर बना ली. नाउ व्हाट वी नीड टू डू इज वी नीड टू शेयर इट, बट वी हैव आवर कंडीशन. कंडीशन इज व्हाट? What is the condition?
Should not access it.
We should share the folder. We need to make it public, but in such a way that clients cannot access it. But it's public, but cannot be shared, cannot be accessed. So what we need to do? We need to go to the properties of my folder. There you can see sharing of tab, general sharing, security. There we need to go to sharing.
Right click on the folder, no?
Yes. Right click on folder, properties.
Sharing.
In here you will get a tab, general sharing, security, previous versions,
ये
customized.
actually हुआ था सर.
Huh?
ये actually class हुआ था ना सर practical में.
कब?
किए थे सर.
Okay.
With present.
आपका MCA से हुआ था?
नहीं मतलब
ये
sharing
M plus में है.
हाँ.
हाँ, वही कॉन्सेप्ट है, बट
इतना डिटेल में बोल रहे हैं सर इसलिए बोला.
ये चीज करना है रियल टाइम में. वो तो नॉर्मल शेयरिंग. मैं भी सोच रहा हूँ MCA से तो रूल.
इसमें से लेकर ये वाला पार्ट.
तो ये शेयरिंग में जाना है. Go to sharing. Now don't click on here. We need to go to advanced sharing. This is normal. We used to do it. ये normally किए हैं बहुत. अच्छा इसका नाम क्या है? तो you know the name,
क्या था सर?
technical name of this sharing?
सुनो ना.
इसको NFS बोलते हैं.
सर
NFS.
NHS.
Need for Speed. Not Need for Speed. It's called Network File Sharing or Network File System.
NFS.
Over a network, how you share the files. NFS. Network File System or Network File Sharing. So we need to deploy software with the help of
NFS.
NFS. Network File Share.
So this folder.
This is an interview question.
What is NSF?
NSF नहीं है. NFS.
NFS.
2016 PS3 या PS4.
NFS. और एक क्वेश्चन आता है. Which protocol is used in software deployment? NFS protocol.
Okay.
ठीक है. ये these are the questions which comes. छोटा questions.
Okay.
All right. Now share this folder. Correct.
Yes, sir.
So now if I simply share this folder, click OK, will my condition will be fulfilled? No. Here we need to do some few things. Chota mota manipulation करना. But first manipulation, share name, software deploy is written. At the end of the word, we need to give
$sign.
$sign. इसका मतलब है folder is shadowed. Shadow folder बोलते हैं.
So what you have written there? Dollar sign. No, visible.
It will come automatically. Just at the end, you need to give $sign. If you give the $sign, it means the folder is shadowed. Shadow folder. लेकिन हुआ नहीं है अभी. We need to make it. How? Go to
Permissions.
permissions. Give full control. Full control क्यों दे रहे? So that everyone will fetch this software and will install. But everyone दे रहे मतलब everyone can access it. But we need to block this. I have given the permission to everyone, but we need to block that permission also. That means there is one saying, no? सांप को मारने से डंडा भी ना टूटे, something like that was there, no? सांप भी मर जाए, डंडा भी ना टूटे, something like that. This thing you have to share also, but not share also. So we need to go to caching. No files or programs from the shared folder are available offline. We need to select. Now, as I have taken this, I have given a policy of this. No files and programs from the shared folder are available offline. That means what? I have shared the folder, I have given the full control, but also I have given the restriction that no files and programs cannot be shared from the shared folder. That means clients can see the folder
but cannot access.
but cannot access it. It will show access denied directly. उसमें से आप कुछ डाउनलोड अपलोड कुछ नहीं कर देख भी नहीं सकते इसके अंदर क्या है. Directly it will be blocked. Click on OK. Apply. Done. हो गया. नेक्स्ट नेटवर्क पाथ है. अभी हम लोगों ने कहां तक कर दिया? Till here we have done. Okay. Now how this server will know that there is a software over here? There should be some path, correct? That path is that. So what we need to do? We need to copy this. Copy करो बढ़िया से.
सर एक बार बोलो.
क्या? अभी हम लोगों ने ये बना लिए.
Yes sir.
We have created a policies and everything. Now in server we need to mention right from where you need to take the software. If server doesn't know that where the software presents, तो server software को लेके कैसे install करें? So this is the path that I need to mention when we will configure the software deployment, so that server will take the path and from that path software will be deployed. तो कैसे क्या करना है? Copy उसके बाद next step go to tools, group policy management. We have our department OU HR. We have our user Patel. So no problem is it. If you don't have, you create it and you do it. Now user policy is there already.
Yes, sir.
If I again edit one policy over here, after 6-7 months, there will be lot of policies. How you will identify that which one where you have implemented software policy? It is very difficult to identify that. ऐसे आपको कुछ मिलेगा नहीं वहाँ पर. So that's why you should always make it precise. For software deployment, I will create one more policy and I will apply. And I will give the name software policy. So if I see also after 1 year, I can identify in this policy only software deployment has been done.
Okay.
So that's why in server, it's optional, it's your thing. You can make it precise, you can make it mess. Until unless you can remember. But better you keep it precise. It will help you on to troubleshoot. So I will create one more. Right click, create a GPO, give the name software deploy for example. Done? Clear or not clear?
Clear.
And so everyone.
It's automatic.
Now same process. Right click, edit. Now this software deployment is a computer configuration or it's a user configuration?
Software computer. Client will done to user.
It's for everyone, no, sir.
Everyone.
So computer.
Computer.
User to Java.
For example, there is a software which is only required to deploy in HR department, not in others.
Okay, user out there.
So in that scenario, whether it is a computer or it is a user, user configuration. So software deployment always comes under user also. It never comes under computer. Because software is something which is, it depends on the criteria.
What they want.
It's not like all systems it needs.
Yes, sir.
So that's why it's always user configuration. So under user, we need to go to policies. लेकिन सॉफ्टवेयर किधर है?
Path. We copied the path.
पाथ कॉपी हो गया, but where is the software? Have I uploaded any software? तो पहले सॉफ्टवेयर का जुगाड़ कर ले. Here only, do you know the extension, correct? .exe extension, .msi extension, do you know?
MSI पता नहीं सर, EXE पता है.
exe is a normal. There is a pre-executable file. Directly you exe, you double click, installation comes, do it. .msi extension is used when you want to deploy or install your software before logging in. So .msi is popularly used for this kind of configuration. For all software, MS Office ले लो, any software, whatever software is there. For all softwares, .msi extension based set of file is present. But if you can't find any software which doesn't comes with .msi setup, you have to contact company. For example, Firefox, they don't have any .msi. You need to give a mail on to the Firefox that we need one software with .msi extension. They will provide you. Free of cost. But most of the softwares have .msi, you will get it on internet. So for our example, we are going to take Firefox MSI. How you will download? That also I will show you. To practice, just go to Firefox और जो भी आपका browser है. Type Firefox over there. Now you don't just simply click. कुछ ऐड होते हैं. Check for this http www.mozilla.org E8-US Firefox new ये ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट है. बाकी सब बेकार के
टूटने वाला है.
तो आपको देख के देखना होता है. यहाँ पे क्लिक ऑन दिस.
Second one also was on.
Here you will get to download. आप अगर डायरेक्ट ये डाउनलोड करोगे, it's not a .msi extension.
That is exe.
It's not a .msi extension. So you need to download this one. Download options and other languages. From here you need to select your preferred installer. Can you see MSI? So we need to download this. So उसके बाद download कर लो. So after download, you will see your file something like this. What extension? .msi opens with Windows installer. This kind of files are eligible to go with the software deployment. You cannot attach .exe because .exe files is dependent on lot of files. Because you will see in .exe there are a lot of folders, some files will be there which is attached. .msi is a one file software. Everything is included there. You don't have a separate files. That's why .msi is required. So what to do? We need to drag this MSI in our VM. डाउनलोड करना है कर सकते, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. But you can also drag also. Just drag it. आ गया. Now just cut, paste it where?
Share folder.
In our storage repository.
I have to remember that word.
Inside this folder you need to keep your all the software which you want to deploy to your client. After that, in here software setting you need to do the configuration. So let's start. So we have got our software, we have put that software inside that folder which is shared. Now what we need to do, in software setting, expand it, software installation, right click on software installation. Somewhere you need to give that path, na? Right click, properties, right click on software set installation, go to properties. Here you can see default package location. What location?
Shared location.
Shared location. Copy क्या हुआ नहीं हुआ?
File copy किया जाए.
तो हमें ये पाथ कॉपी नहीं करना है. We need to copy
Shared path.
network path.
Okay, network path. Okay.
Make a note. You don't have to copy the local path which it comes. You need to copy network path. ऐसा मैंने बहुत देखा है. C-dev, V-dev करके दे देते. It will never work. You need to provide network path because it's a NFS. So network path will take. Done. Next, Installation user interface option basic.
Basic रखना.
हाँ basic ही रखना. Go to advanced tab.
Wait 1 second. Installation user interface. Basic. Okay.
उसके बाद advanced.
Advanced.
Uninstall the application when they fall out of the scope of management. क्या समझे? इतना बढ़िया से तो समझाया है. Uninstall the application when they fall out of the scope of management.
वो फाइल वहां से निकाल दिया तो अनइंस्टॉल कर देगा.
यूजर को अनइंस्टॉल हो जाएगा.
यूजर को अनइंस्टॉल.
If, for example, my scope is 1 to 1.50, so software will be deployed 1 to 1.50 only. Now, if I have separated something there, that 1.1.2 से लेके 1.225 will be for HR, and rest whatever the clients are there, they are no longer belong to HR department. That means what, they are fall out of the scope and dividing it. I am putting those 25 to 50 out of the scope. At that time, softwares will be uninstalled automatically. That means software will be present until unless that IP is under that scope. Scope के अंदर रहेगा तभी software रहेगा. If IP is out of the scope, no software will be there. It will uninstall automatically. That is what the meaning of this. Uninstalled application when they fall out of the scope. Fall out of the scope मतलब क्या? If it is out of the scope. If any systems are out of the scope, they are going to uninstall the software automatically. उसको टिक करके रखना.
अदर डिपार्टमेंट में.
हाँ, अदर ऐसा नहीं कि HR में है, चला गया अकाउंट्स में, it will not be happen. Then apply. हो गया. Now what we need to do? We need to upload that software over here. So how to upload? Just in blank area, in this blank area only, right click, new package.
Okay.
This is the software. Open. ये जब ऑप्शन आता है don't skip it. Sometimes we skip this. कभी कभार गलती से कर देते हैं. Don't skip. Here it is in published. If it is in published, then it will never install. You need to assign. Then click OK. When this option come, always go with assign and then OK. ये बार-बार नहीं आता, एक ही बार आता है. Click OK. थोड़ा देर रुको, अपलोड होने में टाइम है.
चाय पी.
2-3 मिनट मैक्स. It depends on the system. System के ऊपर डिपेंड है. मतलब if system is very much fast, जल्दी से अपलोड हो जाएगा.
इधर से इधर पूरा क्या सा कंफ्यूज है. दो बार प्रैक्टिस किया था बस.
इजी है इतना. देखो अपलोड हो गया. Now the last step we need to do.
I know.
Right click on this software. We need to give the policy, right, that when it should install. So go to properties. Here under deployment, for how it should deploy. Install this application at log on. That means whenever user will log in, software will be automatically deployed. But before, if it is an existing user, you need to enter GP update. If it is not an existing user, it's a new user and it's logging in at the very first time, वो अपने आप सॉफ्टवेयर इंस्टॉल हो जाएगा. I will show that. So, install your application and log on. उसके बाद अप्लाई कर दो बस.
Sir, skip the uninstall also both.
Where? Here.
It was both it is showing.
हाँ, no
But
problem.
it's not there only, na?
हाँ, for there only we have given the configuration. No? Clear?
Install application, apply, okay.
Now we have one user, Patel, correct? And it's an existing user. So when we are doing policy, at that time it directly got the policy. आपको GP update मारने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ा. अभी देखना GP update मारना है. नहीं तो नहीं होगा. नहीं.
ఒకడు వస్తే అన్ని సేమ్ అన్ని డిప్లాయ్ చేసి సేమ్ స్టెప్స్ అన్ని
Business WhatsApp.
He's
using business WhatsApp, so I.
Wow. कोई लेफ्ट मारा ग्रुप से कौन लेफ्ट मारा someone left the group who
I don't know.
Existing
India.
Yes, existing person. Then why these groups are create another groups are only for students present here? I don't know half of them.
I also don't know.
better to create ना
You can create new group.
Create कर दो.
no problem कुछ नहीं मिल
Create कर दो.
nothing we are getting in the group
Just don't exit that group. Keep it because management is there. और रहने दो जो भी डिस्कस करना है वो दूसरे ग्रुप में करो.
क्या रखूं सर नेम ITMS and AWS.
रखो अपनी मर्जी. कुछ यूनिक रखो जो कि याद रहे. इतने सारे ग्रुप हो गए समझ नहीं आता कौन सा. पटेल पटेल ग्रुप.
Patel and group.
तो याद रहेगा.
नहीं जा सकते
Add people.
All right, so let's log in. Log in, Tara Patel. Now what we need to do, we need to update the policy. Idhar. We need to update the policy. Because right now there is no policy assigned to this user. We need to update it. So go to CMD, GP update /force. It will ask log off after happening. So it's giving one error. That error is nothing but you need to restart. Not restart, but you need to log off. What it's saying? The group policy client side extension software installation was unable to apply one or more setting because the changes must be processed before system startup or user log on. So we need to, here it's asking okay to log off, Y or N. So we need to give Y for yes. Lord. This is for existing user. Now if I create one new user, एक बनाते
Multi. सर क्लाइंट बना रहे हैं सर क्या बना रहे हैं
यूजर
सर टेलीफोन पर सर आई विजिटेड अ क्लास सर आई विजिटेड अ
जब
क्लास
मैं पूछ रहा था पहली बार में यूजर कैसा सबका हो गया, हाँ हो गया सबका, हाँ है
क्लास हो
हो
गया आई विजिटेड
हो गया सर.
यूजर बनाना है, राइट क्लिक ऑन दिस यूजर, न्यू यूजर, बस नाम दो, क्या नाम है? सिद्धार्थ.
नहीं वही दे दो सर क्वालिटी दे दो नो प्रॉब्लम
सिद्धार्थ, लास्ट नेम
यस ओनली वन नेम इनिशियल दे दो सर यस
नाम क्या है पूरा? क्या है?
YS दे दो सर.
ऐसी है हैं?
दो नाम नहीं है सर हमारे सर
सर
इनिशियल्स नहीं है,
सरनेम नहीं रखते
क्या बढ़िया है,
साकर है
साकार है, नॉमिनी नहीं रखते,
वो यूज नहीं करता
अभी राजू सर.
क्या मस्त है, हम लोग को भी ऐसा होना चाहिए. हेलो, हाँ बोलो.
डेमो
किसका? हेलो, जेसी मुझे कहाँ पता है? नहीं मैनेज कर सकते क्योंकि जीसीपी के ऊपर मुझे कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं.
ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನ್ ಹಾಕ್ಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಎರಡು ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನ್ ಹಾಕ್ಸ್ತಾರೆ
ನನಗೆ 3 ಡೇಸ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ ಬೈ ಫೋನ್ ನಾನು ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೇ ನೈಟ್ ಮಲಗಿರೋದು 1:50 1:15 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್
ಬೇಗ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ
ಟೈಮ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಕೆಲಸ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮೊದಲೇ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೋದಿತ್ತು
ಮಂಜು ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಂಜು
ರಾತ್ರಿ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದು 9:30 ಆಯ್ತು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ 2 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಇದ್ದೆ SAKARE
यूजर बनाना आ गया. नेक्स्ट क्या हुआ?
मेरा ऐसा अपस्टॉक्स अकाउंट में होता है सर पासवर्ड देता हूँ पासवर्ड इज नॉट करेक्ट बोलता है क्रिएट न्यू पासवर्ड डाल दिया तो यू कैन नॉट यूज ओल्ड पासवर्ड.
यही तो दिक्कत है. अभी इसको लॉगिन करते हैं. ভগবান জানে, আমি কি জানি। আমি তো বলছি আসতে, কেউ রিপ্লাই করছে না, রিপ্লাইও দেয় না কিছু।
ক্লাস কন্টিনিউ করো,
ওটি
বাকি করতে হবে।
Other users.
আই নো না,
Other users.
কিন্তু না আমি করে যাচ্ছি কথা বলতে।
Other login करते हैं।
ওকে ঢুকে আছে
बोला रहता
আইপি অ্যাড্রেস চেঞ্জ করে দিলাম।
ওই কি বল
দেখ
सिद्धार्थ को लॉगिन करना था ना।
पहले अभी इसमें आया नहीं आया देखना है ना, उसके बाद उसमें जाना।
पहले टेस्ट तो करे फल आया कि नहीं आया, जो
क्या प्रॉब्लम है।
बेसिकली टेस्ट करना है सर।
ऑब्वियस टेस्ट करना पड़ेगा ना, आया कि नहीं है, कॉन्फ़िगरेशन सही है कि नहीं है। अब बोले सब कुछ हो गया, कॉर्पोरेट को बोल दिया यस एवरीथिंग इज डिप्लॉयड यू कैन चेक, उसके बाद बोले कुछ नहीं है।
उन्होंने भी बोलता है सैलरी डाल दिया, तुम बोलता है नहीं आया।
वैसे तो मैं भी बोल सकता हूँ हाँ सैलरी डाल दिया, आपको देखने की भी जरूरत नहीं है। देखो नहीं आया, सॉफ्टवेयर डिप्लॉय नहीं हुआ है,
इसमें नहीं हुआ है।
दैट्स एन एरर। अभी क्यों नहीं आया देखना पड़ेगा।
नहीं मिला है बिस्किट
हाँ?
चॉकलेट कुछ नहीं मिला है ना।
कुछ तो गड़बड़ है। That's why whatever the configuration you do, you first test it. After that you can give the final deployment. इसलिए पहले देख लेना चाहिए सब कुछ सही है कि नहीं है। सही है, नो फाइल्स इन्फो यहाँ पे भी सही है। तो दिक्कत किधर हुई?
आप देखते रहो बैच को क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है। आईपीएल नहीं कल में जो करा हुआ आईपी को सब बैठ के आईपी के ऊपर ही बात करो। फाइनल मैंने पूरा जब मेरा आईपी खत्म हो चुका है अब कुछ समझ में नहीं आएगा तो नहीं होगी इसके बाद मैं क्यों बोल रहा हूँ आईपीएल पार्ट को छोड़ के अभी जो आने वाला है वो समझ में आएगा मगर यहाँ पे
SSC में डालना है।
चलो मैच नहीं होगा इतने बोल रहा हूँ अगर बैठ जाओगे ना मॉर्निंग से मैं चलने को बैठ नहीं कर रहा जितने में ज्यादा मैं जैसे ही निकल रहा अभी मॉर्निंग में जैसे ही नहीं हो और निकल रहे
अगेन द विंडोज डिफेंडर सर वो कुछ भी इंस्टॉल नहीं होना देता सर।
वहाँ बैठ के
यहाँ सॉफ्टवेयर इंस्टॉलेशन का आ रहा है
लेकिन
policy is applied but here it's not coming.
स्टार्टिंग में मुझे पूछ यदि मैं तो टॉपिक चालू करता हूँ ना उससे पहले मैं और डॉक्टर कुछ भी डाउट होगा तो पूछ सकते हैं। तो फ्लो नहीं आता तो आएगा भी
शायद इंस्टॉल हो रहा है, नहीं हुआ।
ये आपको इंटरव्यू में आपको कोई टैकल मिलेगा ही
चलो कहीं पे तो ट्रबल शूटिंग है।
जो मैंने कराया आपके उसका मुझे एग्जाम्पल दे देके क्या हुआ उसको देखो तो फिर बहुत पीछे चालू करना आवाज
पासवर्ड चेंज लॉगर नहीं रखा था ना।
आना तो चाहिए था, कॉन्फ़िगरेशन सब सही है।
ठीक है, ये जो मैंने बताया था तो कैसा होगा अभी इस स्टेज में ऐसा हो जाएगा प्रोजेक्टर सेटिंग्स आएगा
नहीं हो रहा है।
सीनियर लेवल का फर्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट क्लासेस होगा कुछ नंबर से कैलकुलेट होगा हर एक
कहाँ प्रॉब्लम हुआ अभी?
दोनों मिलते रहना
अरे ऐसे ना
एवरीथिंग गेटिंग रेडी है
ट्रेन मत करिए।
मैं एक और रिपीट कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है? Whatever I have done,
अगर फोल्डर
I will again do the same thing. ठीक है, तो वही देखते जाओ। पॉपकॉर्न चाहिए ले लो, सिनेमा देखने बैठो।
वो रिमूव नहीं करा इसका तो पास पॉलिसी।
क्या हो गया?
Can we remove that policy?
No, I am not asking you. I am telling that won't you remove that पहला वाला।
हाँ, रिमूव कर सकते हो ना, वो आपके ऊपर है। रिमूव करना है तो कर
नहीं
सकते हो।
सर, मैं पूछ रहा हूँ अभी निकाल के नया सेट कर रहे हो।
हाँ, मैं वो है उसको रहने दो। आई एम क्रिएटिंग वन मोर फुड टेस्ट।
नेक्स्ट लैंग्वेज
Other users to your computer configuration ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಗೆ
सर एक और जानना था सर, VMware में दोनों असाइन कैसे किए सर? क्लाइंट एंड सर्वर कनेक्ट कैसे किए सर?
डार्क मोड नहीं, लैंड सेगमेंट में मैंने एक बनाया है।
क्या होता है सर?
LAN segment is nothing but it's a NIC card. Now in VM you cannot assign NIC, original NIC तो नहीं कर सकते ना, you need to virtualize.
यहाँ पे कौन सा पोर्ट देना है? सेम
Here whatever, for example in LAN segment you have created one new, for example LAN segment add कुछ नया बना दी,
ओके
for example
ओके
dark ले लो, so dark I have assigned. In the second VM also I need to assign the same thing, then only it will be in the same network.
इट विल बी लिंक।
If it is in different, it's different network. लेकिन यहाँ हुआ क्या?
लैपटॉप లో బ్రో క్రియేట్ చేసిన తర్వాత
ఆన్ చేయండి
Next series.
అంటే లోపల ర్యామ్ రిమూవ్ అవుతుంది।
అదే ఇంతవరకునే అయింది బ్రో, అది అంతకుముందు మధ్యలో వర్క్ చేస్తున్నాం కష్టం కాక
ఆన్ అవుతుందా?
అన్ని వస్తాయి అన్ని
ల్యాప్టాప్ లేదు ఆయన డే ఆఫ్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తున్నాడు.
ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తున్నాడు అని ఇస్తాడు ఇబ్బంది
ಟೈಮ್ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ ನಾವೇ ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೊಟ್ಟು
కరెంట్ చేసినావా రాజుంటా అది కాక వైట్ అదే ఎయిర్టెల్
స్పీడ్ అప్ చేయాలి ల్యాప్టాప్ అదే స్టేబుల్
बाद में अभी नहीं लेटर
ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಹತ್ತು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಏನು ಕಸ ಟೈಮ್ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದು
అదే మన బ్రో ఏమైంది సార్ బ్రో కూడా 4GB ఇంకా యూజబుల్ 5.6 వచ్చింది
ನನ್ನ ಫೋಟೋ ಹಿಡಿದೋಗಿ ನಾನು ಕ್ಯಾಮರಾ ತಗೊಂಡು ನನ್ನ ಫೋಟೋ ಒಂದೂ ಇಲ್ಲ
పండుకొని మెల్లగా వేస్తుంది అది
ఫ్రెండ్స్ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಾರೆ
ఏం బ్రో మెల్లగా వేస్తుంది
పాత ల్యాప్టాప్ కొంచెం
పండుకుంది ఇక
ఇప్పుడు తిరుపతి అయితే చాలా ఇక్కడ నుంచి మీ డైరెక్ట్ తిరుపతి నుంచి మళ్ళీ వచ్చావా
యూజబుల్ ఓకే
ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್
ಈವೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದೊಂದಿದೆ
ಅಮ್ಮ ನನಗೆ ಫೋಟೋಜೆನಿಕ್
బయట తీసుకుని రావాలి లేపు కాక
ನಾರ್ತ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬಿನ್ನಾದೆ ಅದೇ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್
काफी
चाहिए
प्रमोशन कर रहा था
ಅದಲ್ಲ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಶೋ ನಾನು ಮೈಸೂರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ನಾರ್ತ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ
एक इशू आ रहा है
ಸರ್
it's not pinging from server client is not pinging there is no connectivity but from client it's pinging. From client, it's pinging. तो इसीलिए ये सॉफ्टवेयर डिप्लॉय नहीं होगा.
If it is manual connections, it will run.
Manual connection in the sense
Real time.
रियल टाइम मतलब रियल टाइम में काम करेगा, बट प्रॉब्लम है कि फायरवॉल ऑन है.
Oh, we'll try shutting down firewall now.
Firewall is blocking. So that's why whenever you configure anything, first turn it off the firewall, do the configuration, then turn it on, whether it is client or server.
Okay.
Energy levels are very high.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು HD. ಒಬ್ರು ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಓಡಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನಲ್ ಸೆಮೆಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್
अब हो जाएगा,
इसलिए लेट हो रहा है.
आराम से हो जाएगा. अभी भी नहीं हुआ. वाह भाई वाह.
Bro, on చేసావా bro? Try చేసినా bro. On చేసావా?
ఎందుకు?
చేసావా?
ఆగమన్నాడు.
లేట్ అయితే అంటారు. చూడు బ్రో, నేను సాఫ్ట్వేర్ లింక్ పంపిస్తా. ఏమేమి సాఫ్ట్వేర్ లింక్?
సాఫ్ట్వేర్ అన్ని
బ్రో, ల్యాప్టాప్ లో డౌన్లోడ్ చేయడం అవ్వదు. ల్యాప్టాప్ లో ఇది మొబైల్ లో డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకుని వైర్ వేసుకొని కనెక్ట్ చేసుకుని ల్యాప్టాప్ లో అక్కడ ఫైల్ ని కాపీ చేసుకుని ఇన్స్టాల్ చేయి. అలా చెప్పింది నేను.
ఒక 10 నిమిషాలు చూడు.
అందుకే చెప్పాను.
ఆగమంటున్నాడు.
అన్ని కొన్ని అన్ని
మొబైల్
ర్యామ్ చూపిస్తున్నారు.
What?
2007
What you will do?
ర్యామ్ వస్తే ఇది
ఆల్మోస్ట్
hello, we are getting everything ready for you.
Then bring plates. Everything is ready now.
This might take
ಫಸ್ಟ್
several
ನಾನು
minutes.
ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು
ಓಕೆ
ಮಾಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಶೂಟ್ ದಿನ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಅವಾಗ 2017 ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್.
क्या हुआ?
Sir, it is showing no, not available RAM.
RAM not available.
Yes. Drivers, everything is gone.
ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಅದು ಡೆವಲಪರ್ಗೂ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು ಫೋನ್ ಬಂದಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟರವರೆಗೆ ಮುಗಿಸಿತ್ತು
But unless one base na sir.
It's very easy to configure.
We don't know, sir. No, only after coming.
Just take this laptop to shop, tell them I want to sell this.
क्या सर?
Whatever you are giving, I am happy to take. for a simple solution.
This is not my laptop to sell.
Whose laptop? Then good only, no? Sell it and come. We tell to your friend that अच्छी बात है, इतना पैसा आ गया. इससे पहले इतना भी नहीं मिलता. नहीं हो रहा है डिप्लॉय. क्या हो गया?
परफॉर्मेंस
प्रॉब्लम है.
Oh my god.
Ninth standard.
एक और प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है.
Yes, sir.
We have given something to uninstall if it goes out of the scope.
Yes, sir.
In this client, we are getting 1.5, which is
Out of it.
excluded IP,
Yes, sir.
not in the range.
अभी वो रिलीज करके रिन्यू करना पड़ेगा.
Let's see. So this is how you troubleshoot each and every step. Possibilities. Firewall checked, not worked. Then we have checked our configuration, it's fully correct. Now the last possibility is IP. So we have one excluded IP which is there, 1.5, which doesn't comes under the scope. So what we will do, we will just remove that and renew, make it inside that scope, and then we will see. So I
रिन्यू करने से वो स्कोप में आ जाएगा ना सर.
within the range, it will come the IP. No excluded IP will be there.
Present करने का हुआ है नहीं.
Got 1.12. Now it's in scope. Now let's see what happens.
सर एक्सक्लूड का 2 to 10 किए थे सर एक्सक्लूड.
तो किए थे.
आई डोंट रिमेंबर सर इसलिए पूछो.
Excluded क्या है? 1.2 to 1.10.
हाँ यस सर 1.2 to 1.10. ओके. It's not 12.
So from that I am getting 1.12. It can be anything. ऐसा नहीं कि 1.12 आया है. It can be 36, 40 also.
Yes sir.
वो लॉटरी के हिसाब से आया है. लॉटरी में नंबर आया 1.12, ये आ गया. Now let's see whether it comes or not.
11 पटेल को आया ना.
इसको किससे? 11 नहीं. वो जब हम लोगों ने किया था तब उसको हटा के हम लोगों ने 1.5 दिया. Now again we are renewing.
वो रिजर्वेशन किए थे तब.
Then we have renewed, right? कभी कभार सेम आ सकते हैं, कभी कभार डिफरेंट भी आ सकते हैं. It's variable. उसमें डिपेंड भी नहीं कर सकते. देखते हैं अभी. इस बार भी अगर नहीं होता है तो देखना पड़ेगा थोड़ा क्या चीज हो गया है. ट्रबल शूटिंग होना चाहिए. There should be a troubleshooting.
If everything is correct, it is not correct.
If everything is correct, you will know, okay, but this is. Now, if you get any issue at that time, now what?
What next?
What next? What you will do? That's right. आना चाहिए troubleshooting थोड़ा बहुत. कभी कभार जा रहा है, अभी भी नहीं आया. क्या प्रॉब्लम हुआ? चलो सब पॉसिबिलिटीज तो हो गया, अभी क्या बचा?
ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಬರೋದು I'll make you admin. You add only our class.
I won't add.
You add, oh, I'll make you admin.
No problem.
Thank you.
I won't add.
Okay. You. Krishna bro, I'll make you admin, you add.
ಯಾರು
Gundiರೋ numbers ಇದ್ದಾವೆ.
Check this one.
ये अच्छा है ना सर चेक?
चलो
साइड में क्यों रखा?
कहाँ दिक्कत है?
स्टोरेज लो चेंज ఓకే
ముందు కదా బ్రో ఏం ప్రాబ్లం
నేను నాటం లేకుండా చూపెట్టండి
ఆటో డ్రైవర్స్ పోయిందా లోడ్ అవుతుంది
అది రోడ్ అవుతుంది
తర్వాత ఏం ప్రాబ్లం ఉంది
వైఫై కంట్రోల్ ఓకే
వైఫై ఆన్ ఇన్స్టాల్ అయ్యింది లేదంటే టర్న్ ఆఫ్ అయ్యింది
ఓకే ఓకే क्लोज लेटर आवाज नहीं होती आवाज
यहाँ सॉफ्टवेयर इंस्टॉलेशन लिखा रहा है, but it's not. Is somewhere something is blocking. नहीं क्या? क्या ब्लॉक कर रहा है?
सर इसमें वाईफाई और साउंड ड्राइवर्स अनइंस्टॉल हो गया
ड्राइवर आइडेंटिफायर इंस्टॉल करो.
क्या है
ड्राइवर आइडेंटिफायर.
आइडेंटिफायर
तो कनेक्ट विद योर इंटरनेट with wire
okay बस wire
out you guys do
అది కాదు సర్వర్ క్లోజ్ ఏమో
क्लास डन सर
आज के लिए रन.
वो ट्रबल शूटिंग करके
मैं बताता हूँ क्या प्रॉब्लम. Try in your system. Try to do follow the every step. See in your system it comes or not. मेरे को पक्का 100% sure configuration is correct. Why? Because if configuration is wrong, in client side it should not show software installation. In client side it's showing software installation is not possible because you need to log on. अगर configuration गलत होगा वहाँ पे आएगा ही नहीं. That means software is coming here, but यहाँ पे block हो रहा है. क्या block हो रहा है मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा.
सर उस वायर में इंटरनेट है सर वो इंटरनेट में इंटरनेट है
properties ఇక్కడ ఉంది
పెన్డ్రైవ్ అయితే నాకు పెద్ద
యూజర్ ఫాలోయింగ్ అయితే
पोर्ट्स కూడా कनेक्ट हो जाता है
वाईफाई भी नहीं है.
वाईफाई भी नहीं है पोर्ट्स भी काम नहीं कर रहा है ये वाला कर रहा है उस साइड यूएसबी पोर्ट्स काम नहीं कर रहा
గో
Enjoy.
मास इंपॉर्टेंट
అన్నట్టు చేద్దాం ఇది చేసుకో ఎందుకంటే ఇది నాకు రాదు నాదైతే నేను మెల్లగా ఓపెన్
చెప్పలేదా
చెప్పలేదు అదే బాబు
చెప్పుకుంటే ఆయన ఏమో చేసేవాడు.
ఏమన్నా చేసేవాళ్ళు చేయించుకున్నామా అంతే
सेकंड उसके बाद ले लेना
అంటే 4G లేపిస్తే యాంటీవైరస్
కంప్లీట్ చేయకపోవాలి
सिंपल सा कॉन्फ़िगरेशन नहीं हो कैसे
already installed.
కంప్యూటర్ కనెక్ట్ వచ్చింది
Speakers connect అవ్వట్లేదు ఉన్నాను.
లేదు
పడిందా ల్యాప్టాప్ కింద?
కింద పడలేదు నేనే VMware డౌన్లోడ్ చేసిన OS Connect డౌన్లోడ్ చేసిన అది ఓపెన్ చేసుకుంటే డైరెక్ట్ అయిపోయింది అది 4GB కదా అంతే ఏం లేదు VMware డౌన్లోడ్ చేసిన VMware 16 డౌన్లోడ్ అయింది OS Connect డౌన్లోడ్ చేసిన OS Connect డౌన్లోడ్ చేసి ఓపెన్ చేసేంత వరకు ఇది డైరెక్ట్ సిస్టమ్ ఆగిపోయింది.
Why should you try 4GB RAM? You should try 8GB, no?
इसमें सर VMware इंस्टॉल करके OS इंस्टॉल किया बोल रहा है, तब से सभी काम नहीं कर रहा, टर्न ऑफ हो गया, तब से काम नहीं कर रहा, पोर्ट अनसोल्डर्ड हो गया सर.
I never encountered this kind of problem.
I encountered sir, मैंने सीरम लगा के मदरबोर्ड उड़ा दिया.
क्या लगा के
सीरम
सीरम लगा के मदरबोर्ड उड़ा है
P4 में सर.
तो उड़ेगा ही नहीं सीरम पूरा का पूरा आधा खा जाता है
मैं चलाया था सर उसमें, और टोपी गिरते ना सर, वो रीसेट लगा के